Uh-huh. Uh-huh. What we were practicing. No, past perfect. Okay. Uh-huh. What else? Just that? Just that? Okay, very good. Yes, just we were practicing. We were practicing in affirmative, negative, and also questions. Very good. Okay, now guys, we are going to continue practicing that part, present perfect, okay? But we are going to practice too the use of how long, okay? How long? So today is Monday and everybody knows. Okay. We are going to start with how long, for, and since. So we are going to start with for and since. What does it mean? What is the meaning of? Okay. So question number one. How have you been? How have you been? What does it mean? ¿Cómo has estado? How have you been? How have you been? I have been excellent. I have been awesome. I have been great. Okay. So this is the question. How have you been? Hey, how have you been? How have you been? I have been good. Okay. How have you been?
I have been pretty good.
Pretty good. Christian, how have you been?
I have been fine.
Don't say fine. Okay. How have you been? Okay, good. Guys, you can say terrific. Hey, I have been terrific. Okay, how have you been? I have been excellent. You can say I can't complain. No me puedo quejar. I can't complain. You can say I have been awesome. Awesome and terrific, it's similar. Terrific means estupendamente. Terrific. Okay. So, Christian, how have you been?
I have been
Okay. How have you been? No, just I can't complain. One more time. How have you been? Very good. Leo, how have you been? I have been
I have been
terrific. Very good. How have you been? Awesome. Awesome. Awesome, teacher. Very good. Ceci, how have you been?
I have been excellent.
Excellent. Okay. Great. Okay, very good. Now let's continue with the class. So, question number 1. What sports have you played? What sports have you played? I have played soccer, volleyball, and basketball, but I can't play very good. I have played them, but I can't play because I fall down. Yes, believe me. Okay, what sports have you played?
I have not played soccer.
You have played soccer, just soccer. No basketball, no baseball, not volleyball, no kickball. Just soccer. Okay. Leo?
I have played soccer and also volleyball, basketball,
Okay.
and baseball.
In baseball. Okay. Great. Hazel, what about you? I have played only soccer. Okay. Mister?
I have played soccer and basketball.
Soccer and basketball. Okay, very good. Gerardo, Ceci is here. Leo, Christian, Tatiana, bye. Hazel, Abigail, Abby. Okay, okay, very good. So, Gerardo, Josh, soccer. What sports have you played?
I have played soccer and basketball.
Soccer and basketball. Which is better for you, soccer or basketball? Soccer. Soccer is good for you. Okay. Ceci, what sports have you played?
I play soccer and basketball.
Okay, soccer and basketball. Very good. So, question number 2. What is the best place? What is the best place that you have ever been? The best place I have ever been is El Pital. That is the best place I have ever been. Okay, so the best place I have ever been is, and you can say the place, okay? So let's start. Christian.
The best place I have ever been is beach and forest.
The Covanos Beach. One more time. The Covanos Beach. One more time.
The best place I have ever been is Covanos Beach.
Okay, thank you so much. Leo.
The best place I have ever been is
El Pital. Okay. Hazel. Buffalo's wings. Delicious, right? Okay, Mister.
the best place I have ever been is
Okay, Los Playas de Renderos. Okay, very good. Ceci, and you?
And the base is higher ever been in Fort Castello.
What?
In Fort Castello.
Can you write it on the chat, please? Because I couldn't listen to you.
They bear please have ever been in for pastel.
So write it here, please, because I can listen to you very well.
Contact.
So next question, it says, what interesting food have you eaten? What interesting food have you eaten? Interesting for me, probably Chinese food. Chinese food. I don't like Chinese food because I don't like vegetables. But I can say that it's Chinese food, okay? So I have eaten, and you can say the food, okay? So what for you, what interesting food have you eaten?
I have eaten an intense food, a ramen soup,
Mexican food
Japanese food.
and Japanese food, really, Japanese food. Okay, okay. You?
The recipe food I have eaten Mexican food.
Is
Yes, Mexican.
Mexican food, okay? It's Mexican food, okay? Italian food, okay? All the pastas, delicious. I love pizza, pasta, like lasagna or spaghetti. I love it, okay? So, and the last one, what have you done too many times? What have you done too many times? I have drunk water many times. What have you done too many times? I have taken a shower too many times. I have listened to rock music too many times. What have you done too many times? What kind of things? Yeah, but what kind of videos? Funny videos, comedy videos, sitcoms, shows, games, video games. Okay, I have watched games videos. Okay, thank you so much. Christian, I have. Okay,
Eaten too many times.
I have eaten. Eaten what? Vegetables, pizza, lasagna, pupusa, delicious. All. Yeah, but something in a specific. Fruit. What fruit? Mango. Delicious. I love mango. I have eaten mango so many times. Okay, very good. Leo. I have done them. I have played. played.
I have played video games many times.
So many times. Okay. What about you? I have played my class and watch series so many times. Okay, very good. So, okay, very good. Let's continue. Okay, now let's start with the use of for and since. Use of for and since. So what is the use of for and since? So we use, guys, okay, we use for when we want to talk about periods of time. Period of time, okay? And we use since when we want to talk about point in times, not too specific, okay? When we talk about for, you can mention specific dates. But when we use since, we just say related time, not a specific time, okay? For example, I can say for 1 day, since 24 hours, or since 11 o'clock, okay? So points in time. So look at the example. It says, Orland has played the piano for 10 years, period of time. Orland has played the piano since 2010. If you count 2010 until 2020, that is a period of time, 10 years, okay? So let's start with other examples. Okay, so something that you have done, something that you have practiced, okay? So you can say, I have taken a shower for. Now, tell me, how long do you take a shower? 1 hour, 2 hours? How long? 15 minutes? How long? How long do you take a shower? 20 minutes. 1 hour, like my brother, no. 20 minutes, okay? 20 minutes. I don't believe you. 1 hour, right? So 15 minutes, 10 minutes, a fast shower, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Just calculate. Half hour, media hora? No, I don't know. Half hour. Okay, or 10 minutes. Because believe me, my brother and my grandfather take a shower for about 1 hour, around 1 hour, imagine. I don't know what they always do. But they take a shower around 1 hour. That's why if I want to take a shower in the morning, like today, and if I know that they are going to take a shower at the same time, I have to take a shower before them. Because if not, I gotta be late for going here. Okay, so Christian, what about you? 15 minutes. Okay, in my case, for about 15 or 20 minutes, around 15 or 20 minutes, depending on. Okay, so you can say, I have taken a shower for a specific minutes. Okay, something in a specific. For, you can say 20 minutes. I have taken a shower for 20 minutes. Or if you want to say the exactly time, you can say, I have taken a shower for, so imagine 20 minutes. I can say 4 o'clock. And what time is it? What time is it right now? Right now, it is 4:20 a.m. So I have taken a shower since, sorry, here is since. Okay. Since I have taken a shower since 4 o'clock. And that means a specific time, but it's not a period of time because you are not counting, just you are saying the time. Okay? For example, let's see. Something that we usually do. Like playing soccer, for example. How long have you played soccer? You can say, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, since I was a kid. We don't know, okay? Any question right now? No? Really? Are you sure? Clear? Okay. So, let's continue with the class. Now we are going to practice. Making the difference using for and since. Okay, we are going to identify that. Okay. So look at here. It says exercise number 1. Write expressions in the correct order. Write expressions in the correct order. So let's start. We have yesterday, 2 months, a week, John, Wednesday, 6 hours, last month, 5 days, 1992, 15 minutes, a long time, 10 years, last summer, short time, I was 10 and 8 o'clock. So yesterday, for or since, which one? For. You say since. Gerardo. Since. Christian. For. Okay, so listen. For yesterday. For means para. O por. Para ayer. Of course not, right? Pero puedo decir desde ayer. Yes, I can say desde ayer, since yesterday. I cannot say for because it's not a period of time. I can say since because it's on a specific time. It's on a specific point in time. So here is in since. Yesterday. Okay. Yesterday. Great. Okay. Now, what about 2 months? 2 months. Since. 4. Since. 4 or since? 4. Okay. Now, just an example. ¿Cuánto tiempo llevan de estudiar inglés aquí? ¿Cuántos? 8 months. Vale, 8 meses. Vale, acá, ajá, 8 meses. Ahora, ¿en qué tiempo comenzaron? ¿En qué mes? ¿Enero, febrero, marzo? Ok, en abril. Entonces, si yo digo April, ¿cuál sería? Since or for? Exacto. Y si yo digo 8 months, it's 4. For, periodo de tiempo. ¿Cuántos meses? I don't know. ¿Cuántos años? I don't know. But you count. 2 years, 1 year. Teacher, pero mire, me da hueva. Victor is over there. Ajá. Ok. Teacher, me da hueva contar. Solo sé, mire, no me acuerdo. Yo solo sé que fue en el 2021. If you don't remember, you can say since and at a specific point in time. But if you like numbers, you can 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8 months. For period of time. Okay, so 2 months. 4 or since? 4. 2 months. Oh, sorry. 2 months. Okay, next, a week. A week. It is? It is? 4, very good. Okay, June. Since, thank you. June, lo pongo en mayúscula porque es un mes. June. Okay, Wednesday. Since, very good. Wednesday. Wednesday, no. Wednesday. Wednesday. 6 hours. Very good. Last month. Last month. Last month. Since. Since. If you say for 30 days. Since last month. So, last month. 5 days. Very good. 1992. Very good. 15 minutes. Very good. Great. A long time. Yes. It's for a long time. Guys, si yo pongo ago significa hace. Okay. So a long time. For a long time. No vamos a incluir ago. Okay. For a long time. 10 years. Very good. 10 years. Last summer. Since, since, no, since. Okay, last summer. Since, very good. Okay, a short time. Very good. Short time. I was 10. Since, very good. I was 10. Since I was 10. Okay. Teacher, I have played soccer since I was 10. Teacher, I have played soccer for 23 for 13 years. Oh my God, long time. Okay. 8 o'clock. Very good. Since 8 o'clock. Any question? No? No questions? Are you sure? Va, teacher. Comencemos la práctica entonces. What do you have to do to implement these expressions? Okay? So I need you to implement these expressions in a sentence using for or since. Example, I have had this cell phone for 3 months. I have had this cell phone since, let me see, September. Now, let's go with you. Go ahead. You can talk about whatever you want, whatever thing. No, for 2 years. One more time. 2 years. Okay, very good. Two hours. Okay, Leo.
I play soccer. I was a child.
Since you were a child, okay? Christian.
I have a dog for 5 years.
I have
A dog
had. I have had a dog.
for 5 years.
5 years. Okay, very good. Now, example, I have worn this face mask for about 1 year. Okay, now continue. Another example. Try to use since. I have taken. One more time. 7 o'clock. Or you can say, teacher, I haven't taken a shower since yesterday. Since yesterday. Can we use it in negative? Yes, we can use it in negative. Okay, you have taken a shower since 7 o'clock. Okay. Worked. Since 2 a.m. Okay. For 20 minutes. Okay, very good. Mister?
Play video games, time 10 p.m.
Since 10 p.m. Okay, very good. Ceci, give an example using for or since.
I have watching TV since 8 o'clock.
Okay, I have watched
Watch
TV since
8
8
o'clock.
Okay, very good. Since 8 o'clock. Great. Okay, now let's continue with the next exercise. Okay. Now it says complete the exercises using present simple, using simple present. Using present perfect. Using present perfect and also for and since. So look at the first example. It says, she lived in London since or for 5 years. So she has lived in London. Which one do you think is the correct one here in the first one? For or since? It is? For, very good. It's for. Okay, now let's go with number 1. Nick. Nick told for since he moved to London. Okay, let's talk about Nick. Nick has. It is not no, it is none. Repeat, has none. Has none. Very good. Nick has none. Nick has none, Tom. Okay, for or since? For he moved to London or since he moved to London? It is? It is since. Very good. Desde. Remember, desde. Desde. Okay. Next one. Mrs. Harris, a teacher for since 12 years. Okay. Mrs. Harris has been, very good. Mrs. Harris has been, we don't say has been, no, has been, a teacher for since. Which one? For, very good. For period of time. Okay. Number 3, Felix. Felix in Paris for since 1998. Felix. Okay. Has lived in Paris since 1998. Repeat, 1998. 1998. 1992. 1984. 2001. 2011. 2003. 2001. 1992. Very good. Okay, 4. You the piano for since several weeks. Okay, you. It's in negative. Very good. You haven't played. You haven't played the piano for since. For several weeks or since several weeks. So why we use since? Why not for? Because you can use both. In that sentence, we can use both. For several weeks, we can use for and also since. But what's the difference? Because in this case, is since. It's not for in that sentence. But I told you, we can use for. But what's the difference? Because if you say you haven't played the piano for several times. What's the difference? Because it is in negative. It's in negative. If I say I have played the piano, there I can say for several weeks. Because I have played, I have done that exercise. I have done that hobby. But if you say in negative, I haven't since, desde. O sea, no lo he practicado desde hace mucho tiempo. Pero si yo digo, yo sí lo he hecho, yo lo voy a decir with for. Okay? Got this? Yes? Okay. Next, I. Emma for since last week. I haven't seen Emma for or since. Since last week. Very good. Desde la semana pasada. They study English for since 3 months. They have. They have study. Ya ve, studied. No study. Okay, studied English for or since? For, very good. For 3 months. Okay. Okay. No worries, be happy. Okay. Sarah. Hasn't spoken. Sarah hasn't spoken to Eva for or since. Vaya, aquí tenemos lo mismo. Lo mismo que en la número 4. ¿Cuál sería? ¿Sería? Since, not for. It is since, porque es algo que yo no he hecho. Pero si yo lo digo en afirmativo, ha hablado, entonces sería for, porque yo lo continúo haciendo. ¿Ok? Number 8. We therefore since 3 hours. We have was, no. Been, you have been there for or since. It is? For, very good. Hey, ¿qué te hiciste? Te estoy esperando por 3 horas y no veniste. What's up? What happened? Okay, and the last one, number 9. He, for his keys, for since a long time. Which one? He has looked. One more time. He has looked. Thank you. For, buscado. For his keys, since or for? Since or for? It is for a long time. Okay, for a long time. So, questions about? Ya ve que estaba tan concentrado que ni cuenta se dio de que acaba de temblar. ¿O sí sintió? Ah, ya ve, estaba bien concentrado. That's the point. Acaba de temblar, chicas. Hace como 2 minutos. Ceci, no sé si sintió el temblor.
Sí, sí.
Right? Sí, sí tembló. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay. So, use of how long. What is the use of how long? Look at here what it says. This question word is used to ask the amount of time that has been going on so far, that something has been continued so far. Example, how long has your father had that car? Period of time or point in time. How long has your father lived in this city? Or how long have you lived in this city? We have 2 options. We have 2 options. I have lived in this city since I was a kid. Or you can say since I was born. Desde que yo nací. Or I have lived here since, for 28 years. So we can use for or since. How long in present perfect means cuánto tiempo, hace cuánto tiempo. So, for example, how long have you worked with your father? Since? Okay, since I was a kid, ya lo cambió, ya ve, igual que usted. Since I was a child, repeat, since I was a child. One more time. Okay, very good. How long have you had those choose.
I have had those shoes.
These shoes, porque los tienes puestos. These. I said those because I am far away. These.
These shoes. For 5 years.
For
5 years.
5 years. Okay. So how long have you had short hair? I have since last year. Okay. What about you? Okay. How long? Okay. How long? Listen, this is very peculiar. How long have you worn a cap? A cap. Worn. I have worn a cap two months. Really? Really, are you sure? Because I have always seen you with a cap. So don't be a liar. But this one is for clothes, and this one is for objects. Don't tell me, teacher, what is the meaning of use? Because let's point. This, no. I have worn this cap that cap, okay, that cap for 2 months. But what about other caps? Other caps. 1 year, 2 years, since you were a kiddo. You don't remember? Come on, why not? Okay, very good. So don't worry, be happy, guys. So guys, listen. Tomorrow we will still continue practicing how long. Also for and since, okay? So phrasal verb, wrap up. If you want to talk about clothes, wrap up is perfect for this weather. What is the meaning of wrap up? Wrap up means to put warm clothes on. Example, don't forget to wrap you up if it is cold tomorrow morning. So wrap up. Just wrap means envolver. For example, in Christmas. Oh, I have a gift for my friend. I'm going to wrap my present. Pero eso es envolver, envoltura. But if you say wrap up and you use wrap up for clothes, means abrigarse. Okay? So, for example, you wrapped you up. Why? Because it's cold. Okay? Yeah? Okay. So, homework. I love homeworks. So, oh my gosh. Okay, homework for tomorrow. Okay, so for tomorrow, guys, we have to complete. I thought you were.
Yes. Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Nice to see you.
Okay, so let's do exercise number oh my gosh, this one, page number 30. Page number 30 and also page number 31. 30 and 31. Okay. And also page number 32. Page number 30, 31, and 32. Okay. I will repeat it again. Page number 30, 31, and 32. And for Wednesday. Okay. For Wednesday. How we have to do for Wednesday. So for Wednesday, I need you to bring 5 pictures. And what do you have to do with those pictures? I need you to describe what you have done recently. Recientemente. Using for and since. And this one is for Wednesday. This one is for Wednesday. So bring 5 pictures describing what you have done recently using for and since. Example, if you bring a picture with a car, you have to say, oh, I have had this car since 2020. Oh, I have had this bottle of water since last month. Oh, I have had this computer for 3 years. I have had these shoes since 2019. I have had short hair since March. Okay? 5 pictures. You have to describe them using for and since. Okay? Any question right now? No? Okay, so guys,